Along with the rest of the country, the 77th Independence Day was also celebrated in Meghalaya. In the state capital of Shillong, the celebration included march past of various contingents of schools, the defence and armed forces, the Meghalaya Police, the NCC, the brass band and others. Inspecting the guard of honour and taking the Independence Day salute was Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma in the presence of the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, M Kurbah, and other state government officials and invitees.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the flypast courtesy. The Indian Air Force is to know.
Following behind Auxilium Girls High and Secondary School is Brookside Adventist High Secondary School, being led by its commander Azriel C.H. Mumin. Its commander Esther Hafilaya Kamen Bingro. The NCC Boys marching contingent being led by Iborlang Karjana.
Following closely, round applause. Following closely behind is the CRPF, led by Commander SIGT Anand Mehta.
Following closely is the 1st Meghalaya Battalion, being led by Commander Shri Conrad K Sangma.
Miss Joan Langnon Chloe.
We signed a historic memorandum of understanding with the state of Assam in the presence of the Union Home Minister as a first step towards resolving the Meghalaya-Assam interstate boundary dispute. Our government is committed to resolving the dispute in the remaining areas of differences: Lampi, Bordwar, Motma, Deshkambe, Block 1 and Block 2, and Kisyan Khanduli. The regional committees constituted for these 6 areas of differences have already conducted multiple meetings and have met their Assam counterparts to take the talks forward. We have a target of creating at least 5 lakh employment opportunities in the next 5 years. The government will continue to strengthen the primary sector of the economy, comprising of agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry, sericulture, and fisheries. There is a potential to create up to 3 lakh employment opportunities in the primary sector alone.